we're gonna go ahead and get in our Audi. Whoop. Okay, so right here is the switch that we're talking about. Now, yours might look a little different, but the switch inside is the same. I'm gonna show you what that means. Now, you're either gonna get a pick tool like this or a flathead screwdriver, and you're gonna go ahead and stick it in here just a little bit. Try to pop that out just a little bit. It's just in there. You don't want to damage your dashboard. I would probably, if you're not used to it, I would probably pick from the bottom in case you do scratch something. That way. Oh, I heard it pop. Okay, I feel like it's coming off now. And just shake it. There it is. Okay, so this is the first piece. It is a little bit worn out. You could paint this with black paint. You don't even need all these little like things, but you could cover those and paint this whatever color you want, or wrap it, or you know, whatever. You can see on the back, there's really nothing. It just kind of clips into place. So now this is the actual switch that we're talking about getting out here. So all of them are round. Yours might just have a little round thing with a cover on it. You take it off, it's still the same switch on the inside. So it doesn't matter what Audi you have, as long as when you take the cover off, you have this same piece. Now this is the dimmer switch, and it looks like it's already loose. You see the wiring in there, so you could just pull this one forward and pop it off the wire here. Let's see if we can get it right here while we're on camera. So push down right there. I need two hands. So here's a push down right here. You see the little knob right there? You're gonna push that down and push the one in here up, and then that'll pull off, and we'll show you what that looks like. And then we're gonna get this out. So let me take this one out real quick, and I'll explain how to get this one out. Okay, so this is the dimmer switch, which means you just roll the light dim or darker, and that will do your inside interior lights. So some people like it really bright so they can see during the day, and then they don't want it really bright at night because when you're driving down the road, then this glare, so you can turn it down. So this is a good dimmer switch, and you see where it clicks in right here. So this has a push up tab here, you saw it move, and one here, and you just push them both together and it pops right out. So now we're going to go ahead and take this piece out as well, and I'll show you both pieces, and then you just do the reverse to put it all back in. So let's work on this. All right, so pay attention to this because this will either make or break this part. You don't want to do this wrong. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this and click it one back. There is a 0 position here on the face, and this is really easy. You're going to push this in, and it made that little, see, it doesn't want to stay in. You push it in and then push it back up to front so it'll lock on and pull out, and it pulls the entire panel out. Now, I've seen some people pull all of this out together with the other piece attached and the faceplate, but I really feel when you do that, it's hard to finagle because it's pulling on this as well, and you see this won't pull out as far as this will, so then you'll be stuck with this in a little bit. So I would recommend you pulling the faceplate off first and taking these out individually. Now, just like the other one, you're just gonna squeeze these two pieces on here and pull it and take it right off. And there's the light switch. So we're gonna be sending this to our friend Keith, who's got a Audi with the 2.7 turbo just like us out in Virginia. So this is another freebie for Keith. Hey, thanks for commenting on our videos and being a supporter and helping us out. If you also want to comment on our videos and you need a small part of a car that we're working on and stripping, we will gladly make arrangements to send you something. Just pay the shipping. We'll make a video and send it, or send it out to you. If it's a larger part, we'll give you a great discount, and we'll give you a shout out on our video as well. So now you just push that little stuff back in, and when you get the new pieces, you just put it back exactly like I said, but backwards. So this is how to get out the light and dimmer switch out of your Audi.